Today we are going to study GDP at current prices and GDP at constant prices. GDP at current price refers to nominal GDP and GDP at constant prices refers to real GDP. What does it mean GDP at current prices? It refers to all monetary value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory during an accounting year, counted on the basis of current prices. And GDP at constant prices refers to real GDP. It means all monetary value. What does it mean, monetary value? All money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory, counted counted on the basis of constant price. Here you can see nominal GDP. I have written quantity Q1 into P1, and real GDP I have written Q1 into P0. We have studied in class 11th. Q1 is current year quantity, P1 is current year price, Q1 is current year quantity, and P0 is base year price. Here base year price is, it is for comparison. We can compare if we have base year price. Nominal GDP refers to GDP at current prices. Nominal GDP can increase either owing to increase in quantity and price. If it increases owing to increase in quantity, nominal GDP can increase owing to increase in quantity, means output can increase. If it increases owing to increase in price, it increases owing to increase in general price level. Okay, so nominal GDP increases due to current year quantity and it may increase due to price. Now come to real GDP. Real GDP, it refers to GDP at constant price. It means all monetary value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory during an accounting year. Here it is very important to say accounting year starts from 1st April 2022 31st March 2021. Real GDP increases due to increase in quantity only. I repeat again, nominal GDP may increase due to quantity and due to price, but real GDP can increase due to increase in quantity only. Here price will remain constant. We are studying real GDP at constant price, and we will compare here either nominal GDP is good for the welfare or real GDP is good for the welfare. So if we increase, real GDP can increase due to increase in quantity. It means output can increase only due to increase in quantity, and it refers to GDP at constant prices. It means flow of goods and services going on here. It means flow of goods and services going on. Only price will be constant. Okay, now come to estimation of real GDP. Here we will study, the question arises, is real GDP good for the welfare or nominal GDP good for the welfare? Before explaining it, I will explain GDP at current price formula. We will take quantity of bread. We are taking example of bread. Quantity of bread in the current year, that is Q1, into price of bread in the current year. Same we will follow with the GDP at constant prices. GDP at constant prices is equal to quantity of bread in the current year quantity, and into price of bread in the constant year. Price of bread in the constant year. Quantity of bread in the current year into price of bread in the constant year. For better understanding, we will study estimation of real GDP with the help of this example. Either GDP at current prices will be good for estimation of welfare, economic welfare, or GDP at constant price will be good for the estimation of economic growth. Now, here you can see, let's understand with the help of this example. 3 years are given, 2015, 2016 and 2017. You can see here, unit of bread in 2015 is 1000, unit of bread is 2016 is 1000, and here unit of bread is in 2017 is 1200. In 2015, unit of bread is 1000 and price of bread was 10 rupee. So GDP at current price will be 10,000 rupee. Come to 2016, unit is same, means here nominal GDP changes only owing to change in price. You can see here 10 to 20, price are going 10 to 20. So this GDP at current price in 2015 it was 10,000 and in 2016 it is 20,000. So it is 100% rise in economic growth, but it shows a wrong picture of economic growth. It makes wrong sense of economic growth. Now come to means 100% rising, that is not possible. Now come to 2017. In 2017 unit of bread is increasing 1200 and price of bread is 15, means 1200 into 15. So you can see here, okay, we'll explain in next video.